Now to Las Vegas and the murder trial over the death of rapper Tupac Shakur. Now, Duane Davis, also known as Keefe D, is facing murder charges for the rapper's death, but will not be released immediately, even though bail has been posted. The judge in the case is concerned about the source of that bail. Entertainment manager Cash Jones, who also goes by WAC 100, posted 15% of the $750,000 bail. That is the amount needed to post bond with help from a bond company. Now, prosecutors say this entertainment manager wants to record interviews with Davis before and after his release, which could violate the judge's restrictions. Davis has stated publicly that he was in the front passenger seat in the car that pulled up to Tupac before the rapper was shot. His lawyer telling KLAS investigators his client was lying when he said that. We are bringing in KLAS reporter David Charns on this live in Las Vegas. It is good to see you. Help us understand why the judge may have a problem with the source of this bond.
Well, hey there, Natasha. So the judge has been very clear that Duane Davis can't make any money off of these proceedings. In fact, it's Nevada law that people convicted of murder, of course, he's not there yet, but a person convicted of murder can't make money off of the crime that they commit. So in this case, Judge Carly Kearney, who is hearing this case, has said that no money here can go to more of what we've seen Duane Davis say. He's said many times that he was there the night that Tupac was murdered, that he handed the gunman, his nephew, the gun to be used in this murder. And as his lawyer told me a couple months ago, this was all for entertainment purposes. Don't believe my client is really what he said. He's a liar. What happened yesterday was the judge basically said, okay, this gentleman, Cash Jones, put up this money, but I need to know, was there a contract here? Was there some sort of underlying stipulation that he was going to do something for you, that you were going to do something for him? And prosecutors started playing these jail phone calls between the two men, which seemed to indicate that there was some sort of understanding that Duane Davis may sell his story or may agree to do interviews both pre and post release. The judge didn't like that. Now, she didn't issue her ruling right then and there. She said that she would do it within a couple days. We thought it might happen last night. It didn't happen. Right now, the court website says this is all under advisement. But I don't think she's going to release him thinking that the money here, the $112,000, which is that 15% you mentioned, could go to benefit Duane Davis in any way. At least that's what we heard yesterday, and the judge didn't seem to really like that.
And what is next in this process? When will we know whether Davis has to find another source for his bond?
Well, it's taken him almost a year to find money for this. I mean, we had heard time and time again that he was close to posting bail, that he was going to get released soon. He has some medical issues. He had colon cancer a couple of years ago. He said in court yesterday that it's flaring up again. He needs some medical help. But no one seems to really want to put up the money for him except for aptly named Cash Jones, who put up this money for him, basically didn't say he wanted anything back. You know, the lawyers were saying, well, is this like a loan? And he said, no, I give money to people. So it's sort of an odd situation. And, you know, from what we've seen over the past couple months with no one putting up the money and Duane Davis not being able to put up the money himself, you know, it's sort of unlikely that he will be able to put up the money. A trial right now is scheduled for November, and his attorney, Duane Davis's attorney, says that they're ready to go and they sort of want this over with. And they believe that they can prove that Duane Davis is actually innocent of this crime.
Okay, David Charns in Las Vegas with that update for us today. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.